Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Lover of all things good. Been a little bit of time, but we're back better than ever and got a ton of content coming your way. So please stay tuned for that. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications and ring that bell. But today I'm going to be showcasing to you my Hauslane range hood, which I love. When I first moved to my new place, which you can see it's changed, it's a different place, different home. I'm super excited about it. I had an opportunity to buy a place over the pandemic and I'm loving it. I've made some modifications in the kitchen, which really work well and really improve the functionality. And today we're gonna talk about essentially that. All right, so I decided to purchase the Hauslane range hood. The model I have is the PS18. So it is a exterior vented range hood, which actually has the venting to the outside. Why that's important, it doesn't really recirculate into the home. It actually vents everything outside, all the fumes when you're cooking. I have a gas range, so that's important for overall health and safety, but also just really helps improve the overall functionality and cooking experience. I think a lot of times when people buy appliances for a home, the range hood really is kind of an afterthought. And I think that one thing about Hauslane I really liked is that they really prioritize the range and really help to educate, but also design a product that helps to elevate that cooking experience. So this product's great because it's very simple and easy to use. It has a beautiful stainless steel body and that metallic finish. It really helps to integrate nicely into a modern, sleek kitchen, but still has a timeless aesthetic. It has very nice instrumentation. It's digital on the front, and it also has 6 different speeds that go from kind of a minimal ventilation to a very significant air pull out, which helps to really eliminate odors faster. Prior to this, I had my microwave, which was mounted above the range hood, right? So it was like a dual combo. It still looked good, but the amount of air pull and ventilation was not as significant by any means, probably less than half of what the Hauslane does. So for myself, it caused a lot of issues like smoke alarms, and just overall, it did not have the kind of aesthetic and look that I wanted. So when I was in the market for looking for a range hood, I saw this product and immediately spoke to me. So it has dishwasher safe baffle filters, which are really great because you can actually pop those out, put them in the dishwasher and run them in a cycle and put them back in, good as new. Easy cleanup, and I love that factor about it because everybody's busy. It's a great convenience feature to have. There's also this great setting which actually allows you to go up as high as 15 minutes or as low as about 3 minutes, where you can actually measure the time for automatic shut off. So if you basically cooked, cleaned up, you want to continue a little bit of ventilation and you want to kind of retire for the evening or whatever, or leave home, you just press that setting and then it sets off and you're done. So it's great for that. So the Hauslane PS18, the model that I have installed, it came with 3 of these. The third one I actually have installed, so I can't really show it to you, but you get the idea from looking at these. It's relatively similar, but between the 3 different types of adapters, you should pretty much have it covered, right? So you should be able to have it installed with one of these adapters that fit. Everybody's ductwork and ventilation is a little bit differently, but mine fit the third one really nicely. So I have the guy who helped me install. He also did a lot of my kitchen modifications as a contractor, and he installed it for me. And it was just really seamless integration, very easy to install. It's a stainless steel body. It's very well built. So because of that, I felt like I felt more confident having somebody help me install it so that I knew things would actually work properly and that also would be kind of a nice, seamless installation. And I'm really happy I made that decision. Another thing I wanted to mention too, so it has these interchangeable LED lights, which are beautiful. And it's great because you can actually change it to match the lighting of your kitchen. So it came with these 2700 Kelvin, which is on the lower scale of Kelvin. So it's a warmer, very warm light. I wanted it to be a little bit brighter, so I actually changed it out to a 3000 Kelvin light. These little LED lights, and you can find them at like your Home Depot, Lowe's, most of your hardware stores. It's pretty easy to find them. I went over to Lowe's and they were there and bought a couple and just literally unscrewed the ones that were in there, popped these in, screwed them in. Super simple. They're cool. Not a bright white light, but it still has that kind of warmth for the kitchen, but it's a little bit brighter and cooler than the original light that came with it. So I love that feature of customization and really kind of making it fit the space that you have it in. So overall, very happy, pleased customer. And I think if you have any questions, let me know. But I definitely recommend it as a great product. So stay tuned for more content on the way. And thank you for watching.